Here I had this here. Oh, come on. The worst thing you'd happen is it fly off and burn my shed down. Can't believe it. Light the fucker and burn the shed down. Here we go. That's in my shed. I think for these ones, I'm going to, you know, I'm not a complete twat. I'm going to wear some fucking safety stuff. So I got this on. Oh, look at that.
He looks like a fucking idiot.
You are fucking joking me. Oh, what was that? Oh, let's get something bigger. That was, oh, that's only one. "19-shot barrage." I don't know what the fuck that means. Oh, I reckon it's going to be bad. I reckon it's ricocheted. It's got injury written all over it. Oh. Fucking hell. It's up. Fuck. As with all fireworks, safety first. Oh, come on, light. I don't want anyone to train this. I'm obviously a trained Devonian, so leave it to the professionals. Folks, don't leave loaded rockets lying around, especially when you're fucking inside. Light, you bastard. Oh. 3, 2, 1, back in the room. I've got 50 fucking lighters, but none of them work. Yes, that one does. Here we go. Pray my fucking computer's alright. Here we go. Oh, for fuck. Oh, fire retardant fucking fuse. Prop job. You got a like? Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Here we go, mate. 3 more likes and I'll fucking do this inside. 3 more likes. I'll get some bigger fireworks, I think, maybe for the weekend. Oh no, Devon flag's got a massive burn. Mark right down through it there. Fucking hole right through. Jack Russell's alright. There's a burn in that. Fucking bird's gone. I'll have to look for the bird. Oh, I'm going in to put myself out. So yeah, TNT, remember, if we get too close, TNT, that's not 2. And I'll see you later. Oh, my battery's dying. Right, take it easy, stay safe. End. Fucking end. My computer's dying. Won't even fucking turn off. It's falling out of me because it's covered in fucking soot. There we go. Cheers.